I'm gonna be honest with you. There is no way to open your third eye unless your physical being is ready to handle the energy. You need to get this body functioning and start detoxing on that cellular level so you can experience what it's like to have an open third eye or an Anya chakra. Okay, this is what it's all about. Now, in this video, I'm gonna break down Shilajit, this amazing Ayurvedic supplement that will take your nutrition game to the next level. Now, this is real. You won't hear about this from the Western medical system, the doctors out there, just want to keep you sick, all right? This all comes down to really controlling your energy, all right? Now, if you want to empower yourself, if you really want clarity of mind and you want to get the most out of this life, then you got to take these natural supplements that are in whole food form. That's what this is all about. Not a supplement in that word like, it's created with a bunch of chemicals and artificial flavors and stuff like that. No, I'm talking about real whole food nutrition. It's exactly what Shilajit is. Again, this is an ancient mineral, right? Think about all the plants over thousands of years, centuries, that have decomposed and created a formula with the rock and the water and the earth. And this has turned into a very interesting, kind of sticky substance, almost like tar. And it's powerful, honestly, just by the way it smells. This stuff is profound. Now, just like anything, you're not gonna like it in the beginning. It's gonna taste, honestly, terrible. It's why I'm gonna show you this recipe real quick and how to really make the most out of this and incorporate this into your daily life. So you can activate that Anya chakra, decalcify the pineal gland, start detoxing, and really get the most out of this human life. Let's go right in here. I'm gonna show you this exact recipe that I use and talk more about the benefits of Shilajit. Come on.
Start by just boiling some water. I got the Vitamix here. I'm going to use this to blend everything together. The trick here is to have really hot water to help dissolve the Shilajit. Remember, this stuff is very sticky. This is a pure form of Shilajit. And I cannot even begin to tell you the list of benefits. It just goes on and on. We are talking antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. This stuff gives you natural energy, natural ability to lose weight, detox. I could just go on and on. Why don't you just read the screen right here? Seriously, there are so many benefits. I could just talk to you this all day. We don't have that much time in the video. So what I'm doing is I'm just blending a little bit of chaga mushroom together. This is like a really good coffee flavor that will help, kind of give you that boost of energy that you're looking for in the morning time. You can really use any tea that you'd like here. The important part is to just get that liquid nice and hot to help dissolve this Shilajit resin. Remember, it is sticky. It'll get all over the place, all right? If you want to wear gloves, you can. I'm kind of a messy guy. I'm just going for it. The cool part is, they give you this nice little stick to help you measure everything. You can really get an exact measurement and the dose that you need right here with this cool stick. So I highly advise using that. Just get a nice little clump on the bottom of the stick there and plop it in. Little stir, just in case it doesn't dissolve if the water's not hot enough. But if you put it right in that tea brewing water, it should be nice and easy for you. I'm using maple syrup as a sweetener. If that doesn't float your boat, then go for honey, go for dates, whatever you like to use. Just please no white processed sugar. You want to keep it alkaline. We're going to blend it up, get it all nice and consistent with that amazing Vitamix consistency. Man, if you don't have a Vitamix, seriously, you need to buy one. They are incredible. It's just the best blender out there. So get yourself a mason jar or whatever glass you like to use, and don't spill it like I did. Just pour it in the glass. There is a nice coffee aroma, as you really start to pour this, because if I'm not a coffee drinker myself, but if you're used to drinking coffee, add a little, almond milk in there or something to give it that coffee, consistency that you're used to. And honestly, you will not tell the difference. This stuff tastes so good. It's hot this summer afternoon, so I'm throwing a little ice in mine. But if you want to keep it nice and warm and it's chilly in your area, go for it. This stuff is great.
This is so good in the morning as a coffee replacement or on ice in the hot summer afternoon. just really get this into your diet. I know Shilajit is a very strong thing, especially in the beginning. You know, it's gonna be more of an acquired taste, just like anything. So start incorporating this into your diet. And one little vial of Shilajit like that resin really goes a long way. I'm telling you, do not need much at all. That little pea, you know, rice grain size dose is really perfect to give you the exact amount of taste that's not too overpowering, but yet you really know you're getting that boost of energy. In about 15 minutes, I can feel this instantly. Especially if you're sensitive to energy, you're gonna feel the benefits of this and really start to increase your light body, start increasing that energy, that natural production, and detoxing on that cellular level. So you guys are gonna love this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm curious, you know, if I'm just like this weird guy that's into all this stuff, you know, I'm really curious what you think about Shilajit. Have you ever heard of it before? And if you have, I would love to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.